Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and welcome to 11571 Gallatin Trail out here in North River Ranch. What we're going to show you today is a new construction home that is 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,637 square feet, and it is absolutely gorgeous. That's going to do it today for 11571 Gallatin Trail in beautiful Parrish, Florida. If you have any interest in this property whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.